Hi, Jürgen Hohen, Lederhosen Salesforce here. I get a lot of questions on Lightning enablement. My brother just called me and said, hey, I have a $250,000 proposal here from a consulting company. Is that enough for Lightning enablement? This video is going to teach you what you need. The first thing is run the Lightning Enablement Report. Yes, that's so true. And the second thing is, once that report renders, it'll show you the top 12 things that you need to consider, things like JavaScript buttons, URL buttons, visual force pages, right? They're listed right here. And each one of those represents between 1 to 4 hours of consulting work. So, Lightning enablement, definitely something doable. Don't sign any proposals until you know about the 12 things and how many there are. Thank you so much.